Hi, we are Team That's What She Said for 11-4-11, the team members Nikita Agarwal, Rohan Nagalkar, Shreya Punya, and Apoorva Havanur. This final project involves creating a question-answer system in which we will be given articles and required to generate questions from them and answers. To start with, we'll talk about how we generate questions. To generate these questions, we're going to use the NLTK Stanford parser to first tokenize and then tag the article, and then from our tokened and tagged data, we're going to use the same package to execute chunking on the article, which will then make grammar trees. These grammar trees will take the sentences in our article and split them up into words that we can then manipulate into creating questions from imperative statements. So, for example, in this sentence, the dog barked at the cat, we generated the NLTK grammar tree from it and are currently labeling the words. But from this, we can basically generate a question by rearranging the nouns and the verbs and other parts of the sentence into what did the dog bark at? We will use a similar technique when generating answers for the questions that our model will be asked by, again, using chunking to create grammar trees. But from these grammar trees, we will identify named entities using named entity recognition in the NLTK package software, and then from that, we will determine what the keywords in the questions are. Once we know what the keywords are and where they are in the text, we can use an n-gram model to actually figure out what phrase related to the word is in the text that we can actually use as our answer. Now, once we have these answers and questions laid out, we want to make sure that our answers and questions are actually good quality answers and questions, so we can use a naive-based classifier to weed out the poor questions and answers.
This concludes our project checkpoint.